In today's video, I'll show you how you can edit the appearance of the lock screen, which includes the clock, the notifications, how they appear, also adding contact information, and the apps that will appear on the lock screen for quick access. This here is for the Samsung A54 smartphone running Android 13 One UI 5.0. So let's take it from the start. To find these settings, you can use the quick panel access and tap on the gear icon settings right here. Once you're there, just go down until you see where it says lock screen, this right here. As you enter into the lock screen section here, you'll now look for the lock screen and you'll see the edit option right there. Go ahead and tap on that one time and it'll take you right here. This is where we need to go in order to make changes to the lock screen, okay? So first things first, your clock style or your clock that appears on the lock screen. So you can choose none if you don't want any, and you can also choose from the different styles they have available here, okay? You can also expand by pulling on these here to increase the size of it, as well as change the font style of your clock numbers, okay? You can also change the colors here so that they can stand out more on your lock screen. And then you can go to the far right, you'll see the color palette section here where you can choose from one of these here, okay? And once you press done, it'll go with that color here, okay? And just be sure to press done to finish that editing portion here. And then now when you're ready, you can come back here now. This is for the notifications that appear on your lock screen. So you can choose to have the icons only. And if you want details, it's gonna show the app, the name, and the information as a preview there, okay? So you got icons only. And if you don't want it to show, go with none, okay? So then everything is turned off. It's just gonna say it's turned off here, but when you're on the lock screen, you're not gonna see anything, okay? So once you're done, you can come out here now, and then the contact information. This will usually say contact information, so you can put in an email, a phone number. If your phone gets lost, someone sees it, and they are actually willing to return it, they can use that contact info to reach out to you and, let you know that they have your phone. Okay, and just press done so you can save that. Then you have these lock screen apps as quick access. When you tap on it, you can choose from one of these, go with none, or just go down, and then it will tell you these apps here, they don't require to unlock your phone. So if you have your phone set up in the lock screen with the password, you can access these apps here without unlocking your phone. But anything else under this part here that says unlock required, even if you tap on it or you swipe up to access the app on your lock screen, you'll still have to unlock your phone, okay? So you can choose from one of these here and it'll appear there. Same thing with the right side here, okay? You can go with one of these and then you have those that are the ones that you need to unlock your phone to access it, or going with none means basically nothing will show up there, okay? So notice how it's just having that plus there. That plus won't show there on your lock screen, but it'll appear as blank here. So you can come back and change it at any given time. And of course, once you're done with the changes, you can press done and that will be your new appearance of the lock screen, okay? So this was just demonstration purposes to show you how that's gonna look, okay? And that's that, so like, sub, thanks for watching.